What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, growers? All right, so Spider Farmer carbon filter. A lot of people are going to get confused, as I was myself. When you first get your carbon filter, you're going to get the carbon filter, of course. You're going to get a bag of charcoal and then a really big bag of charcoal, which is in here. So I haven't seen a video on YouTube about this, so I figured, you know what, now that I had figured it out with the help of Spider Farmer customer service, I'll go ahead and upload a video. So what you want to do is take the 3 screws off that are on the sides here, and then you're going to pop off the top. And so you're going to see these rubber bases, and I was worried. I thought they were like glued on, so I didn't want to peel them back until I got confirmation. But all you do is just peel them out, and then your carbon is inside there. So I didn't know why, like, they sent like so many bags of the carbon filter. I mean, I'm not complaining about it. It fills exactly, yeah, it's exactly what's in here. So the filter is already filled, plus you get the extra bags of carbon. So this is like a really big one. Let me see if I can get this out for you. Oh, give me 1 second here. So I guess they're just refillables, which is super cool. But you get one big bag like this, a small bag like so, and then you get this funnel. And so I was 100% confused. I thought I had to put the funnel on here and pour the carbon in there, which didn't make any sense to me. But no, that's not how it works. So yeah, you just screw off the top here, pop off these little styrofoam areas, and then you can see your carbon in there. So figured I'd post the video on YouTube, since there's no videos on YouTube showing how to do this. So that is the Spider Farmer carbon filter, which connects to your exhaust fan. All right, guys, I'm up and out. Hope this helped. If it did, thumbs up, hit that sub button. Yeah, buddy.